In today's fast and dynamic personal and business world, a need has been created to understand financial principles. The term itself is complex and obsolete. Everyone runs from it and tries not to comprehend it. Therefore, in this video, I will simplify the definition of financial principles, explain some of their types, and discuss what is required to understand the term with important examples. What are financial principles? To simplify the term, they are the basic guidelines for managing money, regardless of whether individuals, accounting firms, or businesses are in charge. The foundation of those guidelines is to provide a framework for making informed money decisions.
Some of the important types of financial principles. Budgeting and saving. The most common and important ones. A budget is a financial plan for income and expenses. It tracks spending and areas of cutting back. Saving. Setting money aside for plans and investments in the future, or as a savings net to avoid borrowing and debt financing. Investment means buying and purchasing assets to generate a return while considering risk management and diversification to invest wisely and grow wealth over time. Insurance. Buying a policy that protects against financial loss, such as life, car, health, or property insurance. Choosing the right insurance is crucial. Debt. Borrowing money against personal or business assets, which includes long-term and short-term financing with interest. Managing and understanding debt is critical and needs personal help from professionals.
Understanding financial principles. Financial principles require financial literacy of personal and business finances. Financial literacy is the skills and knowledge needed to manage financial principles and make informed decisions about how to achieve economic success. However, personal finances focus on managing individual financial principles to create wealth. On the other hand, business finances are concerned with the company's financial health and analysis to raise capital through financial principles.
The best examples include, first, retirees that normally have financial needs, such as retirement plans for saving, and develop strategies to enjoy comfortable savings for retirement management. Therefore, using financial principles is a must. Second, families usually have financial needs, such as saving for education, budgeting, and saving for real estate planning, and more. They should take advantage of and prioritize their financial needs using financial principles. Third, student loans and budgeting are important and difficult to manage. Therefore, developing good financial habits early on can help. In addition, it's crucial to understand the terms of student loans and plan to pay for them using the financial principles. Otherwise, a burden of financial strains will be on students' shoulders and their families.
Financial principles are the main guidelines that help individuals and businesses manage money and put forward a framework to make informed decisions. Financial principle types such as investment, insurance, debt, budgeting, and saving. These are just a few financial principles and techniques that help people achieve their financial needs. Understanding those principles requires financial literacy in personal and business finances. Therefore, financial success is a long journey. It should be strategized early to reach out to the best and make informed decisions. Embrace these principles and watch your education and business thrive. My articles, videos, and short YouTube videos are about business management, finance, and business functions. The articles and videos also cover education, entrepreneurship, leadership, finance management, marketing strategy, human resources management, business development, and strategies and analysis such as SWOT, STEP, Porter's 5 Forces competition model, and more. Whether you're a business major student, an aspiring entrepreneur, or maybe just curious about the intricacies of running a business, there's something here for you. My articles and videos are where we dive deep into business management. In addition, the articles and videos cover essential topics like financial principles, strategic planning, strategies needed, and effective leadership. Read more articles and stories from Squarecom on Medium and LinkedIn. I invite you to my articles and YouTube channel to explore the magic of effective business management and strategies. Please leave any comments or suggestions. I would like to receive them. If you enjoy the articles or videos, kindly give them a few applauses, likes, highlight them and subscribe. Feel free to share the articles and videos at any time. To all of you, happy day or night.